Hey everybody, this video I'm going to attempt to pick this Brinks hardened steel padlock. I made a key to it. You want to see what's going on inside of this. It has 4 spool pins and 1 standard pin. I had 2 of them and I drilled the little pin out and gutted the other one. It's sitting over here behind it. Check out my last video and you see that. And I'll put a link in the corner. And I will also link it at the end of this video so you can see that if you're curious what's inside of one of these things. And see if we can pick it now. I did pick it before on video, but it took me like almost 9 minutes, so I didn't post it. That's what prompted me to run out to the drill press and start drilling on it. These actually have a decent pins in them for a Brinks crappy padlock. That actually, I think, would actually be pretty good if it took a little more to get the cylinder out. But look at that, got it quick that time. Good, didn't take no 9 friggin' minutes. So, there's picked anyway. What I was saying when I got it open was these would be decent padlocks if it was a little harder to get the cylinder out than just simply drilling that pin and it just falls out. So, that's like the one thing that I think makes this not great. But anyway, there it is picked. And like I said, check out the last video. You see all the little pins and stuff inside of it. So that will, I guess, do it for this video, guys. And I guess stay tuned for the next one.